The Spark 7P still remains the best Tecno smartphone that offers lots of value for your money at a price of $130 or 63,000 naira for the 464GB model and $150 or 71,000 naira for the 128GB model. It's also the best smartphone you can get in this price range even 4 months later. I know some of you might disagree with me because the Spark 7P might not be upgraded to the Android 13 software, and also the HiOS user interface with bloatware and HAT could be another deal breaker. But in exchange for these deal breakers, Tecno did a great job by using the powerful Helio G70 12nm processor with faster 90Hz screen refresh rate, fast 4GB of RAM, large 5000 mAh battery, super loud dual stereo speakers, decent cameras, elegant plastic design, and the new iOS 7.6 UI has some useful customizations and features that will improve your user experience. The 1640x720p HD Plus water drop notch IPS display is quite good. The massive and cinematic 6.82 inches large display size with acceptable slimmer bezels are great for consuming multimedia content. It gets better with the smoothness of the 90Hz screen refresh rate, which is a lot better than the standard 60Hz refresh rate. Outdoor visibility is also manageable at 450 nits of brightness level. The loud dual stereo speakers are a big plus and they bring life to your viewing experience. The Helio G70, Android 11, and Tecno's iOS 7.6 software make the overall user experience with the Tecno Spark 7P a lot better. You enjoy fast navigations, smooth animations, better multitasking performance, and good software optimizations. The Helio G70 is geared towards a better gaming performance, and my gaming experience has been good. It's able to handle most heavy games at medium settings. You could see that COD performed better at medium graphics with high frame rate, and PUBG played at HD graphics with a high frame rate. But sad news for the PUBG lovers, there's no gyroscope sensor, which is surprising for a game-centric smartphone like this. They all played with little or no lags and no heating issues thanks to the 4GB RAM and good optimization technology. Battery life is another area the Spark 7P shines. I was able to get around 8 to 11 hours of screen on time on slightly heavy 4G data usage, which translates to more than a day battery life on average usage. It could handle up to 5 hours of heavy game time with 90Hz refresh rate, max screen brightness, max speaker volume, and 4G network connectivity. The 10W charger with the outdated micro USB port fully charges the 5000 mAh battery for about 3 hours. The camera performance of the Spark 7P is also sparkling at this price range. The 16MP rear camera does a good job in capturing detailed photos with decent exposure levels. The eye focus technology also does a good job in highlighting faces. The 2MP depth sensor helps in capturing good portrait photos, and you can see that the edge detection is brilliant with little or no error. Moving to the 8MP selfie camera, you can see that it's not that bad. The eye focus technology also has good effect in brightening the face, and the exposure level is acceptable except for the portrait mode, which tends to blow up the background exposure levels. I would like to commend Tecno on the amazing job they are doing with the Super Night Mode technology. The Tecno Spark fans can now join the Tecno Camon fans to boast of having good AI Super Nightscape smartphone. I am blown away with these transformations. Even in the darker areas, it's still able to bring out some details. Although the details would have been better if I was using a tripod, but it still produces decent super nice shots with handheld positions. Just try to be as steady as possible. Nice job, Tecno. You still get the dual selfie flash and quad rear flash for those darker areas. It's nice to be able to shoot at a higher 2K video resolution in this price range, and the quality is quite good.
Hello, Mobile fans. This is the front camera video test of the Tecno Spark 7P. Let me know what you think about the audio and video quality.
The selfie camera also supports up to 2K video resolution, and the result is also commendable. You also get to play with the bokeh video effect for both the selfie and rear camera, but the portrait camera mode only supports 720p video resolution. It's still a work in progress, but it's a nice addition. Slow motion is also present at up to 240 frames per second, which is enough at this price point, but you are stuck with 720p video resolution. Finally, the new and improved iOS 7.6 UI has some useful customizations like the theft security alert or alarm, which you can activate for whenever someone tries to borrow your smartphone without returning it. The kids mode allows you to have peace of mind because you can control or restrict what your kids do on the smartphone. The social turbo improves your WhatsApp user experience by a noticeable margin. The video assistant gives you opportunity to effortlessly reduce disturbance, multitask, and turn off the display to save battery life while watching videos. The peak mode allows you to protect the vital information on the screen, which is very useful in crowded areas. In addition, the fingerprint sensor is a little small, but it does well to unlock fast. You have the option to choose which apps to launch whenever you unlock with the fingerprint sensor. The face unlock is fast and it works in both day and night. You also get a complete unboxing experience with triple card slot, a pre-applied screen protector, and headphones, which is rare to find in this price range. In conclusion, the Tecno Spark 7P is an amazing smartphone for the price, and I highly recommend it, but you just have to brace yourself for the impact of no Android 13 upgrade. The good news is that you can always uninstall or disable most of the iOS bloatware. Let me know what you think about the Tecno Spark 7P. Kindly like this video, share this video, and follow me for more updates like this. Thanks so much for watching. Remain humble and stay safe. Bye.